Welcome to 169 Ashewood Commons Drive. This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath patio home with a 2-car parking pad out front, laminate hardwoods throughout most of the inside, and a fenced backyard with patio and storage room. It's located in the Ashewood Commons neighborhood in Southeast Columbia, convenient to Garners Ferry Road, the VA Hospital, Fort Jackson, and I-77. So out front now you can see a nice sized 2-car parking pad out in the front. You also do have a covered front porch here as well. And this is a duplex patio home, so it is adjoined on one side with another home, but you do have the in-facing part as well, giving you natural light in the living room. You can see the beautiful light colored laminate hardwood floors. These are throughout the living room and both of the bedrooms. So you can see you have vaulted ceilings in the living and dining area. Living room open to the dining room here, you can see with the fixture. Large window looking out towards the front of the home, and another large window here in the dining. And also a pass through to the kitchen. The big open area you see off to your right is just the sort of entrance to the bathroom and the second bedroom in the home as well, but we'll go back this way and take a look at the kitchen and master first. So you have a nice size, pretty open kitchen. Natural wood cabinets, wide appliances. There's a smooth top electric range, dishwasher, and side-by-side refrigerator on the opposite side. Nice size laundry closet, full size washer and dryer connections here as well. And then on the back end you do have a nice size window looking out towards the backyard, as well as a storm door here. So you have a back patio. Nice size, runs along pretty much the length of the home. You do have a storage room here attached as well that it does lock. Has the water heater inside and also just some additional storage space here as well. And then you have a fenced backyard. You have some sort of cypress trees or evergreen trees planted towards the back for some privacy, but it is fenced and pretty low maintenance as well. Not very much grass. There's sort of some here in the back corner and along the side of the house as well. And then back inside, you do have a pantry here to the right of the counter space on that side of the kitchen. Then right off the kitchen is your master bedroom. You can see those floors continue. So you have a nice sized master bedroom also with a large window looking out over the backyard. You also have a walk-in closet, which is a nice size. And then in addition you have a private full bathroom, the single vanity. And then you have a garden tub and shower on the other side, as well as a linen closet here in the bath. And then back towards the entrance, you do have, again, that small alcove that sort of has the entrance to the other bedrooms here. You do have another closet off that living area, in addition to a second full bathroom. Perfect for a guest bath, or also just for a bath for the bedroom right next door. Shower and tub in here as well as a single vanity. And then last but not least, the second bedroom, which is front facing, and you can see the closet on the opposite side there. It's a pretty nice sized closet, and a bit deeper than a standard closet of that width as well. So that again completes the tour here of this property at 169 Ashewood Commons Drive in Southeast Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.